everyone, welcome back. I hope you enjoyed all the exercises this week. As we get started with week 2, remember, have your water, mat, towel, and ready to go for today's workout. See you soon. Hi everyone, welcome back into week 2. Today we're going to be focusing on more stability, flexibility, and range of motion. Range of motion is very, very important when it comes to mobility, stability, and keeping a great posture. So the first exercise is going to be a back extension, also a back peak or flexibility back routine. It just depends on what you would like to call it, but we will have the exact label online for you to take a look at. So this first routine, I'm just going to clamp my hands in the center, and we're going to come down. And I want you to reach your toes and just bring your arms right above your head. You can hold this for about 3 to 5 seconds and relax. Don't forget to breathe. So when I'm coming down, I'm going to take a deep breath in. Coming up, I'm going to let that air out. Reach up to the top. Release. We're going to do this about 3 to 5 times. Clamp those hands, come down. Deep breath in. Come up, take your time. There's no rush. Let that air out and release. And this can be a great routine to beginning your warm-up for a workout, before you get on the treadmill, before you get on the elliptical, and before you start any workout. These can be some great mechanisms to start with. Our next flexibility exercise will be toe touches. These are very simple. We're going to hold these toe touches for about 30 seconds. So I'm just going to bring my feet together, come down. Once again, I don't have on any tennis shoes, but you can have on tennis shoes. And if you can't come down all the way, that's fine. Your muscles are like a rubber band. When you stretch that elasticity, you want to stop. You don't want to pull that. So I'm just going to turn to the side so that way you can see. I'm just going to come down. This is right about where the furthest I can go before I feel a stretch. You can always come further. If you take a deep breath in, out, you should be able to come down a little bit more. Once you hold that for about 30 seconds, you can go to your next routine, which will be hip flexors. I'm going to come down. Once again, you want to have a mat or a towel, something to pad your knees. And I'm going to turn to the side to show you. You want to get in the upright position. You can put your left or right leg first. You should already feel the immediate stretch on your hip. And what you want to do, you just want to flex your hips outward. You should feel that immediate tension on your hip flexor. Just go ahead and relax. Do this about 3 to 5 times for about 15 seconds. Once you're complete with that, you can switch. Come down. In. And I'm not holding these for about 15 seconds, so it's great to have a watch. That way you can monitor your time. And once you've completed that, you should feel a little bit warmer, a little bit more loose, ready for your workout. I hope to see you next week.